Hello everyone. Today I will show you the coin dice designs and sizes. Okay, so this is a coin die. You can see the designs. It look like also coin, and this is side have like a coin. That back side is horse, and this size is 35 mm. I will show you the size actual. You can see this is a 34 or 35 mm. Okay, and this is the gold bar. Okay, this is gold bar, that front side, and this is a back side. Okay, and this is also coin die. That design is Turki Lila. The design name is Turki Lila. You can see this. Okay, this is also 35 mm. This is the same design. Front and back. Okay, this also we have side. Okay, so this size is 20 mm. This is also 20 mm, and this is the front and this is the back. Okay, this is the back. This is the front. Turki Lila design. You can use any gold as per your gram. Which gram, how many gram do you want? This is a very thick, this is a small thick. It depend on you are using. If you want 3 gram, 5 gram, 2 gram, you can use like this. This is a small size. Okay, this is also Turki Lila design. Okay, this is 14 mm. This is 14 mm, and this is a very different. This is a backside is plain. This is not coin die. This is not coin die. This is torch die. This is a torch die. This all die is you are using hydraulic press. You can see my previous video. I will show you the die. Okay, this is torch die. You are using in press machine die. You are using this one, press machine die. Okay, so I will show you again. This is all coin dies you are using in hydraulic press machine, and this is you are using in press machine die. This all design is also in press machine die. So I will show you the different. This is a coin die you are using in hydraulic machine. The design is both side, in one sample, in one coin, front and back. Okay, this is also same design, but this is you are using in press machine. This is not coin. This is only for front size. It's not a back side. Okay, you will get in also in thin or thick, whichever you want. If you want in thick gold you are using, then you will get thick. If you are using thin, then you will get thin. Okay, this is a front design. You will not get in back design. Okay, this is also same. You can see that this is a Turki Lila. Okay, back side we have no design. This is also like design. Okay, this is also 35 mm. This is 25 mm. This is 25 mm. This is 20 mm. This is approx 15 mm, 1.5. Okay, and we have many design like this. You can see that we are making for set 5 size, 4 size, we are making for sets. This is also new design. In Saudi, in Gulf country, in Dubai, they are making for necklace from this design. Okay, now I will show you for like this. If we want upside or backside necklace, that we are add also in both side. This is also we are added both sides, and this is a new designs. This is a Turki Lila designs. This is Albi designs. This is the small designs. Okay, this is only for maybe 11 mm, 12 mm. We are added this one. Okay, so this is a we are added upside and downside. We added upside only. Okay, now I will show you the this is we are added in 4 side. You can see this, we are added 4 side. This is also a small size, very small size. Added 4 size only for 10 mm. Okay, now we are making different shapes. This is a new shape. This is also new shape. We are making 2 size. You can see this. This is maybe 8 mm. This is mm. This is 6 mm. Okay, this is also here. You can see this 2 sizes. Okay, we also make added 4 side or 2 side. This is very small size. This is very small size, approx maybe 4 mm, only 4 mm. You can see we added 2 side. Okay, this is a 3 mm, a small size, very small size, 3 mm. Okay, so if you want if you have any query or any requirement for dies or coin dies, if you have any requirement, you can contact me on my YouTube channel Lamba Dies. You can subscribe my channel on YouTube Lamba Dies and contact me on my WhatsApp, my Facebook same name, my Instagram name, or you can also comment your requirement in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please keep supporting and keep share this video to your business person and help him to grow business together. Thank you for watching.